Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make Alouda glace. If I have to translate it, it's gonna be very similar to Faluda's dessert, and this is drink, cold drink, especially summertime. I know summer is coming right now, is on the way, and this is a perfect cold drink you can have anytime. And in this jug I have milk. I have full fat milk, cold milk. I have sugar. I'm using a can of carnation milk, and these are basil seed, or we call it tukmaria, and this was just 1 teaspoon, and I have added this little bit of water, and it turns to be like about 2 tablespoons. And I'm using rose syrup, and then for the jelly I have my jelly here, which is just plain. There's no sugar and nothing. I have grate little bit, and I'm gonna save the rest in the fridge for later if I wanna make more Alouda. And add sugar to the milk, yeah, and then we're gonna just eyeballing the rose syrup until you get the nicest color. Actually, before I use the spoon, I'm just gonna grab a little bit, about 4 tablespoons. This is a big spoon of the grated jelly. Actually, you can add more. I'm gonna add one more, like 5 tablespoons. And now I'm gonna start mixing, and I'm gonna eyeballing, adding the syrup until I get a nice pink color. Okay, so I stop right here because I think this is a nice pink color. I don't like it to be too dark. Now I'm gonna add this tukmaria, the basil seed that was soaked in the water, and then we're gonna give this a mix, and this has to be drink very cold. And let me just pour this in my glass, mix, and let's go. And voila, Alouda glace. So quick and easy to make if you already have your milk ready. Like here, we don't get milk powder. This is a basic milk that we get. It is just come like that, liquid, and anytime I just grab them from the fridge and just make the Alouda. Let's give it a try. So good. Reminds me Mauritius. So good. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. I will see you next time. Here's a written recipe down below in the description box, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.